Welcome back. We're covering vendors at the moment as part of the tutorial series. We're wanting to talk about the vendor tabs today. So before we start, please click like, share, and subscribe, and share the love. Let's go through this. So on a standard Business Central card, remembering you've got three types of layouts. You've got your dashboard, your list, and your card. Your card view gets split up by what we call tabs or pins. So this tab just here, general, address and contact, X flows due to an extension I use, invoicing, registration, payments, and receiving. Let's take a look. The tab itself is split up between show more and show less. So it helps you if you set your tab view just here. If I actually go now out, I go back into another vendor, my view will stay the same. Okay, if I click show more, I go out, come back in, my view stays the same. So show more gives us the ability to operate one of two modes. There's three modes. One is show less, which means, hey, I only want to see it if I click on the show more button. Show more means show it on this screen, which is great. And then the third is you can hide it. And the only way you get that back is by personalizing, dragging it back out. So we've got the general tab. We have here the address and contact. It's a fundamental tab. You got to go through, make sure you fill it out. Xflow I'm going to pass over because it's part of the Xflow tutorials. Invoicing gives us what we want to see here in invoicing. If I click show less, it's really going to simplify because we've already filled in the required fields. Okay, so the posting groups are already done. If you haven't done the posting groups, they will show here in this screen. All right, registration is to do with Australia, New Zealand settings to do with GST within APAC. Payments gives us our payment method, our payment terms, our cash flow terms. It also gives us the application method, how we apply our payments, which is pretty important. And the last tab for us is our receiving tab. Where is our default location that gets put to PO when we go to raise? All right, so the tabs help you space things out. Again, you can personalize and drag fields between tabs, okay? But whatever your layout is, again, if you set it and you're comfortable, when you go out, you go into the next customer or vendor, it will be the same. So it actually remembers your layout, which is great. So tabs, let's move on to the next video. I'll see you there.